While there are several co-brand credit cards offered by airlines and hotels, India's largest bank SBI has launched its first-ever travel-focused credit card, SBI Card Miles. SBI Card Miles comes in 3 variants to cater to different types of travelers, from beginners to frequent flyers. First variant is SBI Card Miles for beginners, second is Miles Prime, and last variant is Miles Elite for frequent travelers. Let's look at benefits provided by each card and which one is for which kind of traveler. So, the first variant is Miles Card. Annual and renewal fee of the card is 1,499 rupees per annum. Features of Miles Card are: welcome gift worth 1,500 travel credits which you get on spending 30,000 rupees within 60 days of issuance. 4 complimentary domestic airport lounges per year, max 2 visits per quarter. Additional domestic lounge access with every spend of 1 lakh rupees. Foreign currency markup of 3% on international usage. 1% fuel surcharge waiver across all petrol pumps for each transaction between 500 rupees and 4,000 rupees. Government service tax extra as applicable and max waiver up to 250 rupees per statement cycle, max savings 3,000 rupees per annum. 2 travel credits for every 200 rupees spent on travel and 1 travel credit for every other 200 rupees spent. Convert travel credits into air miles, hotel points, travel booking, etc. Annual fees reversed if you spend 6 lakh rupees or more annually, which seems to be too high. Earn 5,000 bonus travel credits on annual spends of 5 lakh rupees. Next variant is Miles Prime. Annual and renewal fee of the card is 2,999 rupees per annum. Features are Miles Prime card are: welcome gift worth 3,000 travel credits which you get on spending 60,000 rupees within 60 days of issuance. 8 complimentary domestic airport lounges per year, max 2 visits per quarter. Additional domestic lounge access with every spend of 1 lakh rupees. Complimentary priority pass membership for first 2 years and you get 4 complimentary lounge access outside India, max 2 visits per quarter. Foreign currency markup of 2.50% on international usage. You get insurance cover for up to 6 flight cancellations per year, each limited to 3,500 rupees. Lost card liability up to 1 lakh rupees. Air accident cover up to 1 crore rupees. Loss of check-in baggage up to 72,000 rupees. Delay of check-in baggage up to 7,500 rupees. Loss of travel documents up to 12,500 rupees. Baggage damage cover up to 5,000 rupees. 1% fuel surcharge waiver across all petrol pumps for each transaction between 500 rupees and 4,000 rupees. Government service tax extra as applicable and max waiver up to 250 rupees per statement cycle. Max savings 3,000 rupees per annum. 4 travel credits for every 200 rupees spent on travel and 2 travel credit for every other 200 rupees spent. Convert travel credits into air miles, hotel points, travel booking, etc. Annual fees reversed if you spend 10 lakh rupees or more annually, which again seems to be too high. Earn 10,000 bonus travel credits on annual spends of 8 lakh rupees. Before I move on to their premium card, if you liked the video until now, then do hit like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such travel related card. And do watch the video till the end. The last variant is Miles Elite. Annual and renewal fee 4,999 rupees per annum. Features are Miles Elite card are: welcome gift worth 5,000 travel credits which again you get on spending 1 lakh rupees within 60 days of issuance. 8 complimentary domestic airport lounges per year, max 2 visits per quarter. Additional domestic lounge access with every spend of 1 lakh rupees. Complimentary priority pass membership for first 2 years and you get 6 complimentary lounge access when you travel abroad, max 2 visits per quarter. Foreign currency markup of 1.99% on international usage. You get same insurance cover as you get with SBI Miles Prime card. 1% fuel surcharge waiver across all petrol pumps for each transaction between 500 rupees and 4,000 rupees. Government service tax extra as applicable and max waiver up to 500 rupees per statement cycle. Max savings 6,000 rupees per annum. 6 travel credits for every 200 rupees spent on travel and 2 travel credit for every other 200 rupees spent. Convert travel credits into air miles, hotel points, travel booking, etc. Annual fees reversed if you spend 15 lakh rupees or more annually, which again seems to be too high. Earn 20,000 bonus travel credits on annual spends of 12 lakh rupees. So, having looked at the features of all the cards, let's see which card is for whom. According to me, my personal opinion is that the first variant, i.e. SBI Miles card, I would say is largely for domestic travelers who can save on fuel surcharge up to 3,000 rupees per annum and take 2 to 3 flights in a year to travel within India, which would allow them to enjoy 4 complimentary airport lounges in a year. The next variant, i.e. SBI Miles Prime card, I would say is for domestic and international travelers who travel 3 to 4 times abroad in a year, which allows them to take benefit of priority pass membership that allows 4 complimentary visits outside India. Also, with this card you get 8 airport lounge access within India, twice that of basic Miles card. The last variant of SBI Miles Elite card, I would say is for frequent flyers within and outside India who travel 4 to 6 times outside India, which allows them 6 complimentary airport lounges abroad with priority pass membership, and similar to SBI Miles card you get 8 airport lounge access within India. However, are these worth? Some of the big downsides for me on these cards are priority pass membership for only 2 years, joining and membership fees, especially the criteria for annual fee reversal, currency markup when many other brands are offering 0 markup to 2% markup. If you have savings account with SBI and have good relationship, then you might be able to get these cards lifetime free, which makes it more attractive. Hope you liked the video and do follow me for more such contents.